Hello everyone, this is me Vijayalakshmi here. Hope all are doing well. Let me tell a good story now. Ramu and Somu are two good friends. Ramu one day he was like crying very badly. So Somu came to Ramu's place to console him. And he asked Ramu, "What happened, Ramu? Why are you crying?" Ramu stated like this. Somu, my grandfather died last week. He wrote his all 10 lakh worth properties to me and just he died. I'm so sad about that. I'm crying thinking of my granddad. He said, "Don't worry, Ramu. Every one day, like there will be a death. So people have to go to God finally one day. Please don't cry for that." He consoled Ramu in a very nice way and then he left the place. The next week, Somu thought about Ramu, so he again visited Ramu. So this time again, Ramu was crying, and Somu was surprised and shocked. And he asked Ramu, "Why are you crying now?" And Ramu told that again in a crying voice that, Somu, last week again, my grandmom died and she wrote her 5 lakh property to me and then she just passed away. And Somu said, "Oh, is it? I was not aware of that. Don't cry, Ramu. Every one of us should go to God finally. Please don't cry for that. Use that property in a good way and in a positive way. Try to console yourself. Please don't cry. I know this is a big loss, but please don't cry." This was a statement given by Somu. So he left the place. Again, next week, Somu wanted to visit Ramu and see how he is. This time again, Ramu was crying very badly. So Soma asked, "Why are you crying, Ramu? Even more badly. I don't know what is the reason." And Ramu told the answer, and you will all laugh at it. Yes, he told that, "Somu, my grandfather died and my grandmom died, and last before 2 days my uncle died, wrote his 2 lakh properties. Now I'm crying that there is no one else to die and there is no one else to write property for me." Literally, he was telling the statement, there is no one to write their property to me. So this was the reason that he was crying for. So he is creating a reason to cry for. So initially, he was like crying for the grandmom, granddad, and uncle. Now he is crying for there is no one else to die. More than that, he is crying for there is no one else to write their property to him. Now, how will I survive? So, this is the reason. Like many of us don't know for what the reason we are sitting and worrying. Sometimes we just like that sit and worry. Oh, she got a car. When will I get a car? Oh, there is a new product in launched in net, and then how can I buy it? So many such silly questions and silly answers will be there for us to cry for certain things. Just there is a hallucination of that there is a problem in the back end. Many women generally we do this. Just we create problems. We think there are problems in our bag where there will be no problems, and certain problems when we leave it as such, it gets solved by itself. There are serious problems to think about and solve the problems, but time will help you. But we sometimes think that there are problems and sit and cry. It's a silly thing. Just ignore that. Be positive, spread positivity, be happy. Hope you're enjoying my stories. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much.